Do you want to wake up with radiant, glowing skin? Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed and confident, all because of a few simple overnight steps. In this video, I'll share the absolute best products that can transform your skin while you sleep. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to Channel Name, where we talk all things skincare and self-care. Today's video is perfect for anyone looking for an effortless glow-up overnight. I'll be showing you affordable, effective, and dermatologist-recommended products for every skin type. And trust me, these work while you sleep. The first step to glowing skin is a clean canvas. A good nighttime cleanser removes makeup, dirt, and oil. My top pick CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It's gentle, great for all skin types, and packed with ceramides to keep your skin hydrated. If you're acne-prone, try La Roche-Posay Effaclar Gel Cleanser. It deeply cleanses without stripping your skin. Always double cleanse if you wear makeup. It makes a huge difference. Next, exfoliation. This step removes dead skin cells, allowing your glow to shine through. For a gentle chemical exfoliant, I recommend Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It unclogs pores and smooths your skin overnight. If you prefer a physical exfoliant, try Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. It's gentle and leaves your skin baby soft. Serums are the powerhouse of your routine. They deliver concentrated ingredients to your skin. For hydration, use the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It plumps your skin while you sleep. For brightening, I swear by Sunday, Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's on the pricier side, but works wonders to even out your skin tone and give you a morning glow. Lock in all that goodness with a moisturizer or sleeping mask. A great budget option is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It's lightweight but intensely hydrating. For a more luxurious option, try Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. It's perfect for dry or dull skin, leaving you radiant by morning. Don't forget to apply a bit to your neck. Your skin there needs love too. Don't neglect your lips and eyes. They're part of the glow too. For lips, use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It keeps your lips soft and hydrated overnight. For eyes, I recommend Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Cream. It reduces puffiness and dark circles so you wake up looking refreshed. Here's a bonus tip. Your sleeping environment matters. Use a silk pillowcase to prevent wrinkles and reduce hair frizz. And keep your room cool and dark for the best beauty sleep. And there you have it, my favorite products for achieving an overnight glow. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments below. What's your go-to product for glowing skin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare tips. Until next time, stay glowing.